Hi, it's Kevin from Take a Hike GPS, and today we're going to show you how to get turn-by-turn directions to a destination using a Garmin Handheld GPS unit. In this case, I'm using the GPS map 60CSX. However, the process will be similar on other Garmin GPS units that have the turn-by-turn direction feature. You will need to have detailed maps loaded on the GPS to use this feature, such as the Topo US 24K series or the City Navigator series, any maps that have detailed street information. In this case, I'm using the Topo US 24K Mid-Atlantic maps. If you don't have detailed maps yet, don't worry, I'll tell you how to get those in a minute, but first I'll go ahead and show you how to get those turn-by-turn directions. First thing we'll want to do is find the point that we're trying to navigate to. The easiest way to do this is just to hit the Find button on the left side of the unit here. And that will bring up a list of places that we can search for near our current location, such as cities, intersections, restaurants, shopping centers, hospitals, entertainment, all sorts of things. In this case, I'm going to actually select a waypoint that I've created at a trailhead nearby that I want to go hiking at. So I'll go ahead and highlight the waypoint option and hit enter. That will bring up a list of all the waypoints on the GPS. We can either search for waypoints by typing in the name here, or keying in the name rather, and hitting OK to search for the waypoint, or we can just hit the quit button and scroll down to search for the waypoint. In this case, it's actually the first waypoint on the list there, Appalachian Trail. So I'll go ahead and highlight that and hit the enter button. On this screen, we can view some details about the waypoint, such as the direction and distance from our current location. It's just over 8 miles away. We can also view it on the map by highlighting the map option and hitting enter. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll zoom in to give you a little better view. Okay, so there's the waypoint that I've created at the Appalachian Trailhead. To get back to the previous screen, just hit the quit button. And we're ready to get our directions, so we highlight go to and hit enter. We're going to be driving there, we want to follow the roads, so we'll highlight that option and hit enter, and now it'll calculate our route. When it's done, we'll see the pink line on the map showing us exactly where to drive to. It'll also give us the directions to our first turn at the top of the screen. And if we hit the page button, there's now an additional page that will be displayed showing us the turn-by-turn directions to our destination. With each turn, it'll give us the distance from our current location, and on the right, the time from our current location. At the bottom of the screen, we'll have the total distance on the left, about 20 miles there, and the total time on the right. If we hit the menu button, we can change the time from showing the time en route to the arrival time. So if I left now, I'll get there at about 11:23 a.m. One other cool thing you can do on the screen, if you highlight one of the turns and hit enter, I'll actually show you a close-up of that turn on the map, and then you can scroll down using the keypad to each turn to get the close-up on the map. So that's a nice feature also. To get back to the previous screen again, we just hit quit. Now if at any time you want to stop navigating to your selected point, you just hit the menu button, highlight stop navigation, and hit enter. And that'll take away the pink line on the map and take away that page with the directions. It just goes to the compass page now. So that's a pretty nice feature to have, especially if you're trying to navigate to a waypoint at a remote location, such as a trailhead, as it was in that example. Now, I said I'd tell you where to get those maps. I do have those available at the website www.takeahikegps.com, and with the coupon code MAPS, M-A-P-S, you can save $15 on all Garmin mapping products, whether it's the 24K Topo Maps, the Seed Navigator series, either on SD cards or on CDs, or whatever format you'd like. As always, if you have any questions or comments, you can feel free to contact me either by just leaving a comment on the video, emailing, calling, whatever, and we will get those questions answered for you. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.